Hello, folks. So, I just wanted to talk about blaming, right? Blame game, blaming. A lot of people blame others, other people, other things, or even situations or companies and whatnot. For example, if you're, let's say, if you're in a hostel, let's say I'm in a hostel, I actually stay in a hostel. I'm staying in a hostel and I'm staying in a hostel where there are men and women, and each room has two people. So in my room there is another guy, like a roommate. So um, if there is something that happens, let's say, that I don't like about him, or I don't like about his behavior, let's say he plays loud music at times, or he's watching the reels really loudly on Instagram and whatnot, or I don't know what he watches. He doesn't use the earphones all the time. Instead, he uses the phone speakers, and he listens to stuff a lot of times, and that can be annoying. But I don't want to blame him and all that, because I have made a choice that I'm going to actually stay in a hostel, a PG, because of economical reasons or any reasons, right? And I've chosen that I'll actually stay in a hostel where there are going to be two people in a room, and I can only pay so much and whatnot, and I've actually chosen to be here and whatnot, and I can make a different choice. Instead of blaming others, blaming him and whatnot, I can try to convince him, or I can try to negotiate with him, or I can try to plead him, which I don't want to do. I wouldn't want to do that. The only thing that I can do is I can request him to actually use the earphones. I've done that a lot. And take responsibility for my own actions and choices, and be like, it's my choice to actually live in a hostel, so I need to take the consequences of that and understand the consequences of that, right? So the consequence of staying in a hostel where like every room has two people is that you're going to have problems or conflicts or something or the other that does not match with the other person, the roommate, right? So you're going to have to deal with it. You can't be like blaming the other person. Or if you have a problem with the hostel, you can't blame the hostel. Probably they are like that for a reason. Maybe they are bad. But then don't blame them. Review that, or review them on some platform saying they're bad. Say that they're bad and whatnot, but never say that they're causing you a problem. I mean, they are. Instead say, you actually made this choice. You chose this PG. You chose this hostel. You made a choice to stay here. Maybe it's a bad choice. Maybe it's just a choice that you found out to be bad and you just want to move. That's all. You can't blame them and be like, hey, change and whatnot. Most probably they won't change. Many companies, many organizations work in a way for some reason. Many communities, many teams, they work in a way for some reason, right? Change is not easy. You can request them, you can give them feedback. Only if they are receptive to feedback, things will change, right? Or else blaming them doesn't help. It doesn't help you, okay? So don't care about who else it will help or not help. It doesn't help you. It will not help you. Blaming will not help you. Blaming others and all will not help you. If you want to blame anyone, blame yourself. But I would say try not to blame yourself. That will just be you beating yourself up a lot. Just ensure that you are accountable and responsible, and be like, I made the choice of choosing this hostel. So if there's a problem, I change the hostel. I control my actions instead of just blaming the hostel and getting no result, because just blaming will not do anything really, right? And for example, if you are in a team and you don't like the team, you don't like working in the team, you can probably give feedback, but understand that you can't blame anyone in the team or blame the team, the whole team. because you chose to be actually in the team. You are working in that team. Maybe you could have actually found out that this is not a great team, or it's probably impossible to find out that a team is not great, and you had to get into the team and work in the team to understand that it's not great. So it's an experience. You couldn't have figured this out before, so it's fine, but take responsibility. Say that you made the choice of joining this company, this team. Now make a different choice. See what is in your control. Don't blame others. Same thing is true for company culture, say company people, company leaders, the salary you get. If you complain like the salary is not enough, if you complain things like the culture is not great, if you complain things like the bosses are bad, if you complain things like politics is there, politics is there anywhere and everywhere where there are people, right? I don't think you can expect zero politics. Most of the time there will be some politics if there are a group of people, right? Like most times, if you have just more than say 2-3 people, that's enough. A lot of times though, you can actually find out people who don't do all this politics, but then you can't form a big company and have zero politics. So if you're in a big company, let's say even more than 10-15 people, you will have politics, you will have all that stuff. People gossip, people do stuff, people say stuff and whatnot. People think stuff and people do stuff based on what they think. There is psychology, there is general human behavior, jealousy and whatnot. So a lot of things do happen, right? There is ego and whatnot. But you can't blame people and be like, there is politics in this company, the company culture is not great, there is a lot of firing, and because of a lot of firing they just keep hiring a lot of new people are not well versed in what we do, or the team is not great, the bosses are not great, the bosses are dumb or whatever, right? Don't blame, just understand that you made a choice to join the company. If you don't like the bosses, if you don't like the culture, if you don't like the salary, just move out. Make a choice, make an action, do an action. You can only control your own actions, right? So take an action to actually do something about it, and don't take the action of blaming. Blaming is not an action. Blaming is just you just telling some stuff without having any results usually. Right? Blaming does not really help at all, right? So understand that whenever you're complaining is okay, maybe to give feedback of some form, but don't blame. Understand that you're not trying to blame someone or trying to actually make someone feel bad and all that. Don't try to do all that. Don't try to control someone else's feelings or blame them, try to make them feel bad or ashamed and whatnot. Just be clear, and also be clear about your feedback and all, and understand that it is your choice to join the company, to join the team, to accept the salary they give. And if it's not great, just move out. Just move out and move on. See, every company, every person works based on some beliefs and some ideas and some opinions, some mindset and whatnot. They have some reasoning. Let's say if it's a company and they're not providing enough salary and you don't like it, don't say, I'm not getting enough raise, I'm not getting enough salary and whatnot. They probably are not giving enough salary, probably they don't have the money, or probably they don't want to give raise for now because they are on a money crunch, or they want to give more money to someone else than to you, right? It's their choice, it's their company. You are not in control. But what is in your control is you can actually move out of the company. What is not in your control is you can't basically go and just ask them to be like, hey, I want a raise and you have to give it to me now. They are not obliged to do that for you. They are not obliged to give you a raise. They are not going to be like, oh yes boss, I'll give you. If you're working in a company, you can use some leverage, of course. But the best thing you can do is just move out and be like, I'll get a better job. Then be like, no, I didn't get raise, I didn't get enough salary, I don't like the salary, some people are getting paid more and whatnot. You basically accept the choices you made and then try to move on. Make peace with the choices you have already made and try to make new choices and be like, okay, I'll move out of this company, I'll move out of this place, or I'll break up with this person with whom I'm in a relationship with, or say a friendship, or say a romantic relationship, or whatever, right? Like, it can be any choice that you're making. Just understand that you can make choices, you can control your actions but not others. So yeah, don't blame others. That's just you being unwise. If I was if I was blaming, I would just call myself stupid, idiotic, or unwise. Yeah, that's what I would call myself. Those are rude terms though. Unwise is a good term, yeah. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.